So Micah did my makeup and my fingernails. He's so cute. He knew where everything went, and he did actually a really good job on my lips compared to some kids would do. It was so funny. He wanted to do it like 3 nights ago. I finally did it. I'll have to like vlog it sometime and let him do it again sometime. But yeah, so cute. He's always loved doing like my nails with me, and he watches me do my makeup sometimes. And oh, toddlers are so cute.
Bye.
Aubrey! Aubrey! Hi!
Nathan. You know, the best to modify is pretty much this one. Okay, wait. Like this pretty much.
So we are here with Miss Aubrey.
Cool.
Hi.
Shot.
Hi, Aubrey.
Yes.
Hi. You're so pretty. You got your toys?
I guess for it.
Yeah.
I'm not done, Micah. That's how you do it.
Hi.
It doesn't work, Micah.
Who are you gonna call with that phone?
No, it's gonna be close. I want to tap on something else.
The boys are home and I just got their school pictures, and oh my gosh, they are the cutest. They came out amazing. Like, seriously. So handsome and cute. Oh, you guys did such a good job for your pictures.
Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, and the boys are up and they're coloring their fidget spinners. Different colors. Nathan's looks really cool. We're all getting them ready for school. Nikki has an appointment this morning. I woke up feeling really sick to my stomach with like a headache, but it's starting to go away. I took some medicine and drinking some coffee. I weighed 209.6 this morning. That was exciting to just see it. Not be 210, not be 220, but be in like those last few digits of the 200s. I'm super excited. We're almost at the beach.
Across from here and start over for sale. Is that all I'd like to do?
Grab on.
Grab on? Oh. Yeah.
It's a big one too.
Yep.
More crab legs.
Yep. Seashell.
Nope, looks like seagull poop.
Yep.
Wow, it feels amazing to be at the beach. I haven't been here yet this year, so it's really good. Alright, now we can walk the beach.
Going here for quiet.
Yeah? That's so cool, buddy.
Yeah.
He found one. No way, it's a whole one. They break really easy. That's so cool. So cool.
We'll put it in here. Wait, Mom, what does $10 do?
I think they're just like a shell.
What is like a dollar? I don't know what it is.
So this is everything we got at Dollar Tree. Nicholas picked out a Star Wars puzzle. The kids really like puzzles from Dollar Tree.
I also like these.
Yeah, these are really neat. I tried it out. It does work. It's like a little slingshot. Comes with like a little, it's for the water.
Yeah.
It's a splash and swim.
Yeah, and Mom, that's good for the summer. Do you want to know why?
It's okay. So I got a whole bunch of these fruit roll-ups. We got like 3 of those. Some of these really cool like silly straws. We got extra like the balls for the slingshots. These are so cool. I got 3 of these because they love Pokemon. They come with crayons. They have like a felt coloring page and a coloring book and some stickers. So that's really cool. A notebook. Got some Pringles, and they even had like Lay's stacks, pencils, cheese balls, more pens, more Pringles, dry erase markers because we have this game Telestrations and our dry erase markers kind of got ruined. Some more of the slingshots. We got like a big huge lollipop. I think he's been eating that. And we got 2 packages of these minis, like flavored cookies. There's orange, banana, vanilla, more vanilla, and strawberry. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, so I'm in the middle of making tie-dye cheesecake. I'm gonna hover above the recipe so you guys can see it. So if you want to make this, just pause there. About to put in my tie-dye cheesecake in the oven at 325 for 45 minutes. I use the gel, neon gels, because that is what the recipe called for. So we are ending the night with a little fire, and we're working on cleaning off our trailer.
Do not walk over there.
Nikki.
You'll tip your trailer.
Yep. It's been a really awesome day. I really enjoyed hanging out with my brother and his wife and my niece. I have no idea what that is. No idea. It appeared there at some point in the day. But yeah. Good night, guys.